Religious and cultural development in India. Bhakti Sufi movements. Question 1. Consider the following statements regarding Sharmana school of religious thought. 1. The Ajivika school revolves around the Niyati or fate doctrine of absolute determinism. 2. Ajivikas considered karma a fallacy and opposed Buddhism and Jainism. 3. Ajnanas believed that knowledge of nature is virtuous and ignorance is the worst for living human life. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. With reference to Indian history, which of the following statements is incorrect? A. The Harappan writing was Boustrophedon. B. The Buddhist text Anguttara Nikaya mentions the 16 Mahajanabdas. C. Devichandraguptam is a political drama and narrates the ascent of King Chandragupta Maurya to power. D. None of the above. Question 3. With reference to the development of sculptural art during ancient India, consider the following statements. 1. The red sandstone was used in the Mathura school. 2. Buddha is depicted in the spiritual state in the Indo-Greek art. 3. Amravati school of art mainly focused on depicting Jainism. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 3 only. Question 4. With reference to the ancient history, consider the following archaeological site present state. 1. Chirand, Uttar Pradesh. 2. Koldihava, Bihar. 3. Burzahom, Himachal Pradesh. 4. Gafkril, Jammu Kashmir. Which of the pairs given above are incorrect? A. 2, 3 and 4 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 3 and only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 5. Match the following names of the cities in India around 1200 AD to that of the present-day names. List I. Ancient name. List -2. Present-day name. 1. Shakambhari A. Sambhar Lake Town, Rajasthan. 2. Ajmeru B. Ajmer, Rajasthan. 3. Mankhet C. Malkt, Karnataka. 4. Kanya Kubja D. Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh. 5. Kalyani E. Bidar District, Karnataka. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1A to B, 3C, 4D, 5E, B, 1A to B, 3D, 4C, 5E, C, 1E to D, 3A, 4C, 5B, D, 1D to E, 3A, 4C, 5B. Question 6. In the context of medieval Indian history, the term khokhar is associated with A. Land revenue policies for the conquered lands. B. Plundered war booty collected after the raids on Indian rulers. C. A particular tribe living in the area near modern Punjab. D. Type of foreign literature brought by the Ghaznavids. Question 7. He encouraged the pursuit of astronomy and built an observatory near Daulatabad. He paid much attention to the principal ports of his kingdom. Moreover, he wanted to make Deccan the cultural center of India, and he was well acquainted with natural science such as botany, geometry. Who is being referred to in the above passage? A. Hasan Gyang. B. Alam Shah. C. Firuz Shah Behmani. D. Mahmud Gawa. Question 8. With reference to Sher Shah, consider the following statements. 1. He was intolerant towards other religions and preferred to employ Muslim in important offices. 2. He introduced a coin of silver which was termed the rupya. 3. He built the Rohtas fort in Bihar, which is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 9. With reference to administration of Sher Shah Suri, consider the following statements. 1. Government was highly centralized and consisted of several departments. 2. He classified land and land revenue was assessed every year. 3. Under Sher Shah Suri, the share of state was 1/2 of the average produce which was to be paid in silver rupiah. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 10. Consider the following statements. 1. Kanheri Cave is located at the former island of Salsette in the western outskirts of Mumbai. 2. Kanheri Cave mainly represents Sthanakvasi Buddhism. 3. Kanheri was mentioned in the travelogue of Fahe. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.